Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to charge this watch or charge the battery on this watch. Before we start, if you want to charge the battery on this watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch. It looks something like this. You have two ends, the USB end and the charging end or station. I can't call it a station, it's a charging plug basically with two pins. Also you will need access to a computer or a charging brick that you can plug in this cable to. So you can plug in the USB end to computer or charging brick. I have this little extension right here. I can plug in the charging cable to because it's plugged into the charging brick right here next to me, but the cable is too short, so I need to use the extension cord. Okay, so to charge the watch, simply plug the USB end to the computer or charging brick or cable, and then the second and the charging end you need to align your watch with, and it will basically snap on because it's magnetic, so it will snap onto your watch, and once it does, the watch will charge like this. And once you're done charging the watch, you can simply unplug it like this, and that's how you charge the battery on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.